Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on the two-step verification. So first you want to go to our website, which is the entrustgroup.com. Then you want to click on the login button up here. And then you want to proceed to log in. You'll enter your email address, click login, enter your password, and follow the instructions. Once you log in, you'll be on the dashboard tab of the online portal right here. Then you want to click your name in the upper right corner, click your contact info, and then you'll click this green button, Update Two-Step Verification. Now you have two options. We can go ahead and send the two-step verification to your cell phone. You can also have it called to your landline if you have a landline, or you can use an authenticator or a verification code app. The apps that we use are Google Authenticator, Authy, Microsoft Authenticator, and Duo Mobile. So today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set up the voice or text. So what you'll do is click on the voice or text box. You will enter your phone number. You want to leave these boxes unchecked. Once you enter your phone number, you'll just go ahead and click on submit. From here, you have the option to send a text message or call. If it's a landline, you want to go ahead and make sure you select call, or if it's a cell phone, you can select either or. And you'll just go ahead and click on send. Then you should receive a 6-digit code, and you'll just enter that code and click submit. And that's how you set up the two-step verification. The process is very similar with the authenticator option. So we'll just go ahead and click that, click submit. Then what you'll need to do is scan the QR code below in your authenticator or verification application, and then enter the corresponding verification code below. If you cannot scan the QR code, please add Entrust manually to your application by entering the setup key below, and some applications might call this a secret key. And that's how to set up the two-step verification with the Authenticator app. Thank you.